We're at the launch of Lenovo's 2018 IdeaPad lineup. These are the laptops for normal, regular users, unlike the ThinkPads which are designed for business users. And today we got our hands on 3 of the devices that were launched. These are an IdeaPad 530s and 2 IdeaPad 330s devices. Now the 530s, which you can see here, is an ultra slim device, and this is basically an ultrabook. Lenovo calls it an ultra slim laptop. As you can see, it's basically an all aluminium design and all in like a matte grey finish. This is a small little Lenovo logo on the side to let you know that it's Lenovo. All the laptops in the lineup completely open out like this. They're not 360-degree hinges like the Yoga. So the IdeaPad 530s that I'm holding with me is powered by an Intel i5 8th Gen CPU. It's got 8GB RAM, a 500GB SSD, and it has a GeForce MX 150 graphics card. Now the MX 50 isn't the very best graphics card around. It's not really meant for heavy gaming, but it's really good if you want to do light work, Photoshop, anything that requires a little more horsepower than your regular CPU can provide. This is the IdeaPad 330s, and this is the base model. As you can see, it's very similar to the 530s, but from the feel itself you can make out that this isn't as well built or as slim as the 530. But then again, this device costs 36,000 whereas the 530 costs 57. The port configuration is the same: USB, SD card reader, your power HDMI, USB, USB-C, as well as headphone jack. The screen on this model is a 14-inch Full HD screen. You get an 8th Gen i3 CPU, 4GB of RAM, and a 1TB hard disk. For 36,000, that's actually not a bad deal at all. The thing with the IdeaPad 330 series is that it can be configured up to like even an entry-level gaming laptop, and we have an example of that over here. So we don't know the exact model number of this device, neither do we know its price right now. But this is a 15.6-inch screen, Full HD again, and as you can see, it still has the same design language as the rest of the devices. But this one is powered with 8GB RAM and Intel i5 CPU, and more interestingly, a Radeon 540M GPU. So this should make it powerful enough for light gaming, and it should be competitive with many entry-level laptops in the market. We're not sure what it's priced at yet, and we'll let you know once that happens. So this was our first look at Lenovo's 2018 IdeaPad lineup. Do let us know what you think of these devices in the comments below. In the coming months, you can look forward to full reviews of these devices on our site. This is Anirudh signing out.